Dear friends, entire world is facing lot of difficulties due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Day by day, the active COVID cases in our country is increasing. Everywhere, people are very much distressed due to this pandemic. They are not in a position to live properly. Our own brothers and sisters are dying every day. Thousands of people are in distress. But here our central government is busy with toppling the democratic elected government. They are not keen to address this COVID-19 pandemic through their activities, but they are keen on sabotaging democratic elected governments, state governments. We saw in Madhya Pradesh the democratic elected government of Madhya Pradesh had been toppled by BJP central government. Now they are after Rajasthan. Everybody knows that Rajasthan government is doing an excellent job to address COVID-19 concerns. The recovery rate of Rajasthan government is about 80%. Government of India itself is appreciating their efforts. But after Madhya Pradesh, now they are after Rajasthan for toppling that elected government. They are misusing the power. They are misusing their entire agencies. Finally, they are misusing the constitutional positions of governor also. You have to understand that there is a clear majority for the Ashok Gehlot government. Several times the elected chief minister requested to the governor for convening the assembly session. But governor is reluctant to convene the assembly election. Governor is not giving sanction for convening the assembly session. Whenever Manipur this type of same crisis happen, within 1 hour governor has given sanction for convening the assembly session. What is the difference between Manipur and Rajasthan? Manipur is their government, here Rajasthan is Congress government. That is the only difference. We have to understand that the people of India now realizing that our democracy is in danger. Murder of democracy is happening day by day. They are offering money. They are misusing their power. They are threatening the people. Anyway, they only one aim is for central government, that is to topple this elected government. Brothers and sisters, it is a high time to protest against this anti-democratic activities of the union government. Our constitution has great values. We are very much proud of our democracy. But our constitution is now in danger, our democracy is now in danger. We have to fight against this attitude. The Indian National Congress is holding a national level ongoing campaign to protest against anti-democratic activities of union government. Come and join this campaign. We have to fight against these evil thoughts. We have to save democracy. We have to save our constitution. Please join us. Thank you. Jai Hind.